welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting me and seeing my face, thank you so much for clicking this video. It means so much for me to have your support. I need you to click one more time and hit the subscribe button below this video so you don't miss any of this greatness that's about to happen. So today I am giving you episode 2 of my beginner wig series. My first wig was Raven by It's a Wig. Great beginner wig, and this is my second, and this one, baby, whoo! Let's just get started. So this is Maxy by It's a Wig as well, and It's a Wig has been putting out these new wigs, and they are so fabulous, great for beginner wig wearers, and that is why I decided to go ahead and do a series on it. So Maxy, just like Raven, no combs, only adjustable straps. Very affordable. I put this on straight out the pack, and I dare not brush out these curls because oh my gosh, look at them. Okay, so I got this in a color that I've never gotten before, TTP4/27/30. So we've got the 4 underneath, we've got the 30 right in the middle, 27 at the top, and it's got a dark root. Like literally, this is the perfect blend. Like I'm about to buy like 4 of these. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the 360. Queens, this is what's tea. This wig is giving me all the 90s feels. Like it's just oh so gorgeous. I'm definitely about to have fun rocking this unit. If you have this unit or you like it, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, put a comment below, talk to me, let me know what's good, and make sure you guys enter my wig giveaway. The closer I get to 1K subscribers, the more wigs I'm going to add in my giveaway, and the rules are super simple. So head to my Instagram to see those rules. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.